How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Reshoevn8r, back at it with another cleaning tutorial. Today we will be cleaning these Nike Dunk SBs. I'm excited to clean these up. These should clean up relatively easy. Since these are so dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and use our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is you want to make sure that you have all the tools that you will need to clean the shoes. It's about having the right tools for the job. You want to make sure you have a dish of water, you have the brushes that you're going to be using, your cleaning solution. I highly recommend using a shoe tree before cleaning any of the shoes because it's going to allow you to apply pressure to the toe box, so on and so forth. We have our trusty sneaker laundry system. Have everything we need. That's step one. Step two is going to be insert the adjustable shoe tree, put it inside this shoe. This is a size 10, so I'm going to basically go fourth from the back here. And that's that. Fits nice and snug. You want to be careful cleaning red dyed suede into a lighter material. You want to make sure that it doesn't bleed. You do have a chance of this red dyed suede bleeding into this lighter gray. So I'm going to make sure that I don't oversaturate this, and we'll just gently, lightly hit this up. Remember, you always want to clean the entire shoe when you're cleaning suede. You do not want to leave watermarks. So anytime you clean suede, make sure that you clean the entire shoe evenly. I'm gonna lightly go over this red check. Check to see if there's any bleed on the brush. I don't see any yet. Again, you want to be really careful, make sure you clean the entire shoe evenly. That will avoid any type of discoloration or watermarks, water stains. Okay, that's good. That's a good initial pre-treat. Well, almost out of solution there. So a good initial pre-treat with this soft bristle brush. What I'm gonna do now is move to the all-purpose brush that comes in our sneaker laundry system. The bristles are a little stiffer, so it will allow me to kind of get a little deeper clean on some of these stubborn stains. I'll gently clean it with this all-purpose brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. Again, let the brush do the work. There's no sense in over killing it, applying too much pressure to the material. It's not needed. Okay, these look pretty good. I think we got most of these stains out of here. Without letting these dry, it's kind of hard to tell because they are so wet, but I think I'm gonna pass on using the sneaker laundry system. That's honestly one of the best things about having the laundry system is it gives you the ability to do a deep clean, or you can just do a quick clean like we did here using the 3 brushes that come in the advanced sneaker laundry system that we sell on Reshoevn8r.com. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the stiff bristle brush here, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit the midsoles up. We're gonna let these dry, and then we'll come back, reset the nap, and possibly spray them with our mink oil, and that should condition the leather and the suede and make them look really good. So let's go ahead and finish up with the stiff bristle brush, and that'll be it. And being that these midsoles are red, you know, they're not really that dirty. I'm just gonna gently go over with this brush. It is nice having all 3 brushes for different materials, but these aren't that bad. They're not white, so this should be very easy to do. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do here today, take the towel, pat dry this shoe down. One thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and grab these laces and give them a good little cleaning. They're not white, so they should be relatively easy to clean. Obviously, the darker color. That's that, so what we're gonna do, let these dry. We'll come back as soon as they're dry, and we'll basically, like I said, reset the nap, possibly spray them with mink oil, and that will conclude this video, so we'll see you in a few. How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Reshoevn8r. We are back. These things are pretty much dry. They still may be slightly wet, but it's the end of the day, so I want to finish this video up now instead of waiting until the morning. All we have to do really, go take some mink oil. They're already pretty soft, but we'll do a dry brushing on them, lace them up, mink oil them right now, then we'll come back, do the outro, and that'll be it. Let's go. Okay, just got back inside after mink oiling these bad boys. They look good. What I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and lace them up, and then we'll show you some before and afters, some close-up shots so you can check them out. They turned out really good. SBs are normally pretty easy to clean just because they use a quality material, but I'm happy with the results on these. All right, they're all laced up, looking good. That's gonna conclude this SB Dunk cleaning tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't Vic, but it's your boy, Mr. Reshoevn8r here, doing the damn thing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check our website for the Yeezy giveaway. We're giving away 1 pair of Yeezys every month in 2018, so don't forget that. If you happen to watch this in 2019, you're a little late, but we will probably still be doing a giveaway. So go ahead and head to our Reshoevn8r.com website, check it out. You can get the you get the 4-ounce 3-brush set right here, the mink oil. That's pretty much all we use to clean these. You can always go to eBay where we find most of our shoes here, find some beaters, buy them, take them home, clean them, and then you can either rock them or sell them. So that's it, Mr. Reshoevn8r signing out.